Okay guys, so tonight well, hey Teen Cuisine fam, tonight I'm going to be making a salmon salad. So I have all of my salad ingredients here in salmon. I love salmon. This is my second time making salmon in my air fryer. So I've already cleaned off the salmon. This is really quick. I've already cleaned off the salmon. I've taken the towel, patted it dry. I'm going to add some Old Bay. Always say not a lot, but I just love Old Bay so much. That's my problem. That's not that bad, right? Okay, so of course I'm going to mispronounce this. Adobe. Okay, well y'all know what it is. And then I'm going to add a little onion powder. I'm no professional. Whatever's in my cabinet is what I use. I don't buy anything fancy. I think this was 99 cents. And then I'm going to try out this herb and garlic marinade. Well, let me shake it up a little bit. Well, it smells good. So I'm just going to coat the salmon with that marinade I just poured in here. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. So look, I did all that in less than, what, 2 minutes? Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands 1 second. We'll rinse them off. And I'm gonna bring over the basket for the air fryer. Now these are big pieces. So I'm just going to maneuver this in here some way until I buy my, whatever this accessory is, a stacker. So I'm going to do it like this. Okay. Hopefully we're going to make that work. So we're going to put it in the air fryer for 400. Last time I did 400. For 20 minutes, and of course checking in between. Now everything that I'm putting in my salad is optional for you. We like sunflower seeds in our salad. I don't feel like boiling any eggs, so we do eat eggs in our salad. And then we love these cheese crisp little things. I like a lot of mine. That's my problem. I'm on salad. And then we like these little tortilla strips. I love them. They taste so good. Just sprinkle them on top of your salad. And this is what you're doing while your salmon is in the air fryer cooking. Okay, so guys, it's about 5 minutes left on the salmon. Look at that salmon. I always add a little butter to my salmon. So I'm going to go ahead and country crock this. Ooh, Lord. This air fryer ain't playing with us tonight, y'all. Yes. We're going to butter up them sides. Get some butter from my other side. I told you I'm like the Black Paula Dean. I put butter on almost everything. Yes, butter. Got that salmon glistening. Yes. Ooh, this gonna be so good, babe. Okay, so we have the butter on it. I'm gonna put it back in the air fryer for about 4 more minutes. There's gonna be time to eat. Okay guys, dinner is done. My girlfriend decided to add some sliced almonds to her salad. I don't eat almonds, so that's what she wanted. So this is her salad. She didn't want the salmon on top of her salad, so this is her salmon on the side. As you can see, it's done. I did 400 for about 25 minutes, nice and crisp. She likes the crisp parts. And I like my salmon on top of my salad. So you can do either way. I like mine on top of my salad, mixed all in. She likes hers separate. So there you go. Enjoy your salmon salad. I hope everyone tries it out and likes it. Enjoy. Be back later with dessert.